factors affecting the rate of evaporation. The rate of evaporation increases with increased surface area. Let us explain with the help of activity. Take a test tube and 2 china dishes and fill them with same amount of water. Place one china dish inside the cupboard and the other china dish and test tube under the fan. We switch on the fan, leave them for few hours and observe. We observe that the rate of vaporization is faster in china dish kept under the fan than the china dish inside the cupboard or the test tube. This is because the area outside the cupboard is bigger, and also the surface area is more in comparison to the china dish in cupboard. Thus we conclude that the rate of evaporation increases with the increased surface area and also increases with an increase in the wind speed. This is because the fast-moving air takes away the water vapors from the atmosphere, thereby decreasing its amount and making room for more. As a result, more evaporation occurs.